The last decade has witnessed remarkable advancements in prosthetic technology, particularly in the design and functionality of prosthetic feet. These innovations have significantly improved the quality of life for individuals with lower limb amputations. Gone are the days of rigid, unyielding prosthetic feet that hindered natural movement. Today, we have advanced prosthetic feet that mimic the biomechanics of the human foot, allowing for greater mobility, stability, and comfort. These advancements have been driven by breakthroughs in materials science, engineering, and our understanding of human biomechanics. The result is a new generation of prosthetic feet that are lighter, more durable, and more responsive than ever before. Advanced prosthetic feet are characterized by their ability to store and release energy during gait, much like a natural foot. This is achieved through the use of sophisticated materials and innovative designs. One of the key features of these feet is their ability to adapt to different terrains. They can seamlessly transition from level ground to slopes, stairs, and uneven surfaces, providing users with greater stability and confidence. Furthermore, advanced prosthetic feet are designed to reduce the impact on the residual limb, minimizing pain and discomfort. This is crucial for individuals who rely on their prostheses for daily activities. Conventional prosthetic feet, often made from simple materials like wood or plastic, lack the dynamic response of their advanced counterparts. They provide limited energy return and offer minimal adaptability to varying terrains. This can lead to an unnatural gait, increased energy expenditure, and a higher risk of falls. Users of conventional prostheses often experience discomfort, pain, and limitations in their mobility. In contrast, advanced prosthetic feet promote a more natural gait, reduce energy consumption, and enhance stability. This translates to greater independence, improved mobility, and a better quality of life for users. Section 4. Understanding gait cycle. Ankle joint in focus. To appreciate the significance of advanced prosthetic feet, it's helpful to understand the gait cycle. The gait cycle refers to the sequence of movements that occur from the moment one foot touches the ground to the moment the same foot touches the ground again. The ankle joint plays a crucial role in the gait cycle, facilitating smooth transitions between the stance phase, where the foot is in contact with the ground, and the swing phase, where the foot is lifted and moved forward. Advanced prosthetic feet are designed to replicate the natural movements of the ankle joint, allowing for a more natural and efficient gait. Section 5. Microprocessor ankle joints decoding the technology. At the heart of many advanced prosthetic feet lies the microprocessor ankle joint. This sophisticated technology utilizes sensors, microprocessors, and actuators to mimic the function of a natural ankle. The sensors constantly monitor data such as ankle angle, foot speed, and ground reaction forces. This information is then fed to the microprocessor, which acts as the brain of the system. Based on the sensor input, the microprocessor rapidly adjusts the ankle's resistance and power, ensuring optimal foot position and stability throughout the gait cycle. Section 6. Adapting to terrain. The algorithm explained. The microprocessor in an advanced prosthetic foot employs sophisticated algorithms to adapt to different surfaces. These algorithms are designed to recognize changes in terrain and adjust the ankle's behavior accordingly. For example, when ascending stairs, the algorithm will detect the change in incline and increase the ankle's resistance to provide a stable platform for push-off. Conversely, when descending stairs, the algorithm will reduce resistance, allowing for a controlled and comfortable descent. This ability to adapt to varying terrains is a game-changer for individuals with lower limb amputations, providing them with the confidence and freedom to navigate the world around them. Section 7. Impact and the future. A new era of mobility. The advancements in prosthetic foot technology have had a profound impact on the lives of individuals with lower limb amputations. These innovative devices have not only improved mobility, but have also enhanced overall quality of life. Users of advanced prosthetic feet report reduced pain, increased comfort, and greater confidence in their ability to navigate various terrains. They can engage in a wider range of activities, from walking and running to hiking and even dancing. As technology continues to evolve, we can expect even more sophisticated and intuitive prosthetic feet in the future. These advancements will further blur the lines between human capability and prosthetic potential, ushering in a new era of mobility and independence.